Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am sharing diabetic friendly recipe that is fermented oats dosa. This is very tasty and healthy fiber rich breakfast. So now let's get into the recipe and see how to prepare. To start with, take half a cup of urad dal in a bowl, wash and soak for 5 hours. This urad dal is one of the richest sources of protein and vitamin B. Urad dal has iron, folic acid, calcium, magnesium and potassium. For those who don't eat animal protein, this is an excellent source of protein. Always wash this urad dal thoroughly before soaking just to avoid any pesticides or chemicals that are sprayed. To this, now add 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds and allow it to sit for 5 hours. Now take half a cup of brown rice in a bowl, wash and soak for 5 minutes. This brown rice is considered a low glycemic index food. The health benefits of brown rice are largely due to it being a whole grain. The fiber in brown rice helps to lower cholesterol and promotes fullness but low in calories. After washing thoroughly, add water and allow it to soak for 5 hours. After 5 hours, take 2.5 cups of oats and soak for 5 minutes. These oats are incredibly nutritious and are rich in antioxidants and soluble fiber. They can lower cholesterol levels and they are gluten free, whole grain full of minerals and great source of important vitamins. After 5 minutes, our oats are soaked well. Now add urad dal to the mixie jar with 1/4 cup of water, salt according to taste and grind it into a smooth batter. Now as the smooth batter of urad dal is ready, let's transfer this to a bowl. Now add soaked rice and oats to the mixie jar. Add about half a cup of water and grind it to a fine batter. Adjust water to get perfect dosa batter consistency. Here fine batter of soaked rice and oats is ready. So now let's transfer this to the bowl that contains urad dal batter and give a good mix. I allowed this batter to ferment overnight, and after fermentation our batter is like this. Naturally fermented foods are an excellent source of probiotics which promotes gut health. All fermented foods like dosa, idli and curd has a good amounts of probiotics. Now grease the pan with little amount of oil like this. As it is a cast iron pan, will not get proper dosa without greasing. Now take a ladle of batter and smear this into dosa. These dosas are very healthy breakfast because we used more amount of oats but not rice. Oats provide many health benefits such as the ability to lower blood sugar levels and help reduce the risk of heart diseases and can even help with weight loss. Now add a little amount of oil and allow it to cook properly. People who does not like oats also like this dosa because oats taste is not felt as we fermented this batter overnight. Now carefully raise the dosa from the edges and flip it and allow it to cook on the second side also for a minute. After a minute, again carefully raise the dosa from the edges and flip it. Yeah, our dosa is perfectly cooked. So now let's transfer this to the serving plate. As we are done preparing dosa, let's see how to make a chutney for this dosa. To prepare chutney, take 3 tomatoes and slice them like this. Now slice the green chilies. Here I have taken 4 green chilies. Adjust green chilies according to the spice levels. Now heat the pan, add 2 spoons of oil to this and add chopped tomatoes and green chilies to this heated pan. Now add 2 cups of chopped cilantro to this tomatoes and green chilies. To this add 2 parts of peeled garlic and give a good mix until everything combines and cook covered for about 5 minutes until tomatoes, cilantro and green chilies are cooked properly. Saute this in between to avoid burning. After everything is cooked, switch off the flame and allow it to cool. As it is cooled, let's transfer it to the mixie jar for grinding. Add 1 spoon of zeera or cumin and salt according to taste and the cooled mixer to the mixie jar and grind it. Now transfer this chutney to the serving bowl and this is ready to be served with our healthy dosa. So friends, our healthy, fiber-rich and diabetic-friendly breakfast oats dosa with the tomato cilantro chutney is very tasty. Do try this recipe and comment how it turned out. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.